Welcome to GuardsPro. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a client profile. When you sign up a client, the first thing you want to do is add that client to GuardsPro dashboard by creating a detailed profile. Client profiles play a major role in how you manage your clients, define post sites, and link them to clients' profiles, assign guards, and much more. To create a client profile, first go to the main menu on the dashboard and select Clients. From the drop-down menu, click on Clients. On the next screen, you will see a list of all the clients you've added to the system. You can view the active as well as the archived clients. Now, click on the button right here called Add New Client. In the next window, you see a form where you need to add as much information as possible about the client. Make sure to add client name, contact information, phone number, website, and address to the client profile. Remember, the more details you add in the profile, the easier it's going to be to access this information when you need it in the future. You can select the option Add Client as Post Site in case the client only has one post site. This will create a post site same as the client name. You can also enable the client's access to the client portal. This will allow the client to access all the necessary details on the client portal. Simply select the details you want your client to have access to. Now, submit, and there you have it, you've just created a client profile. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.